Hello everyone, welcome back to Train, where we make AI simple for you. My name is Kieran, and in this tutorial, I will show you how to create your own custom GPT in ChatGPT. Whether you want a travel planner, coding assistant, or something tailored to your business, this unique capability only takes a few minutes. So let's get started. First, open ChatGPT on the chat.openai.com. On the left-hand menu, click Explore GPTs. This opens the GPT store where you can browse custom GPTs made by others. This library sometimes feels endless and is definitely something worth looking into. But today, we're making our own. So go to the top right and click Create. You'll now see the Create a GPT screen. This is where we will begin to describe what we want to make. So we're going to start with typing, I want to make a GPT that can plan my projects into my weekly schedule for better organization and time management. The next two options allow us to name our GPT and also select the picture. Now we begin to refine how it works so it accomplishes exactly what we're looking for. So to continue to build on our GPT, we're going to answer a few more questions that chat has for us. I'm going to prompt it by saying, please ask for a PDF or document of the projects that need to be done by the end of the week. As you can see, ChatGPT asked me what I would like to prioritize, so it knows how to respond whenever I use it. So I'll tell it to prioritize what is due sooner by the due date, as that is how I want my calendar to be organized. Now we are going to test the GPT before we create it officially. So I'm going to drag a PDF of all my tasks that I need to complete for the month and prompt the dialog box to help me schedule my week with these tasks that need to be done, please. We now will give the parameters of how much we work, the dates, any preference or priorities for our schedule builder to be more exact. As you can see here, it built a full week schedule for me, which allows me to now be more organized throughout my week and get my projects completed. So next, let's go ahead and create this GPT and view it. So here we have the final GPT, and we can run through the same process as we did when we were testing the GPT and allow it to create our schedule for us. Obviously, the stronger the prompt, the more refined your GPT will be. But we thought this was a cool example to show how to create a GPT from scratch. In conclusion, agents are going to be the future of the world, so learning how to create your own is going to be very useful. We hope you enjoyed this video, and comment below what any cool ideas you have had for a GPT. With that being said, make sure to click the like and subscribe button, and see you next time.